Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. This video is part of a week of festive videos to help you prepare for the upcoming holiday season. Today I'm going to be talking about 2 fun family drinks and 3 holiday cocktails with a twist. Let's get started. The first drink I'll be making is a gingerbread gin and tonic. I love this recipe for the holidays because it calls for a spice-infused amaretto that makes you feel warm and fuzzy on the inside. For this, you'll need gin, the spice-infused amaretto, triple sec, and a dash of lime. Then you top it off with the tonic water, and you'll have yourself a spicy take on a gin and tonic. Our next cocktail is for those of you missing out on being somewhere tropical this holiday season. It is a white Christmas margarita. The secret ingredient used in this classic is coconut. This recipe calls for coconut milk and coconut water in addition to the tequila, triple sec, lime, and simple syrup. Mixed together and garnished with a lime, this is the perfect drink to make your holiday feel like a getaway. Our final cocktail is my personal favorite. It is a cranberry Moscow Mule. Moscow Mules already feel super festive, but with the twist of cranberries, it makes them the perfect holiday drink. I combine cranberry syrup, vodka, a dash of lime, and top it with ginger beer. Then I garnish with lime, cranberries, and a sprig of mint. This drink is the perfect companion to gift wrapping and holiday music. Cheers! Next, we have our family-friendly drinks. First up is the Peppermint Spritzer. This drink is perfect for kids that like to help in the kitchen because making it is a little bit more involved, like when you make a cocktail. To make this, you add peppermint syrup, cranberry juice, blood orange sparkling juice, and Sprite. Top it with a candy cane for that special touch. Our final drink is the Gumdrop Christmas Fizz. For this drink, I use 2 types of sherbet. The first is lime and the second is raspberry. Then you top it with a dollop of whipped cream, some Sprite, and you can decorate with a gumdrop to make it the sweetest holiday punch. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please let me know if you try any of these recipes in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. I feel like I sound like a big nerd.